Hi there, my name is Dr. Jennifer Sandoval, and if you don't know who I am, I'm going to introduce myself. I'm a licensed clinical psychologist. I'm a certified sex therapist. I was licensed in 2002, but I've been doing therapy and behavioral services since 1997. It's a really long time. So I specialize in couples and individuals who have sexual issues, anything from erectile dysfunction, intimacy issues like discrepancy in desire. So one person wants to have sex more than the other person. That's actually very, very common. And some people come in because they have zero sexual desire. I see people who are concerned about their fantasies. I see clients who are concerned about their use of sexual imagery. I see clients that are going through struggles with infidelity. So it really runs the gamut. Women who struggle with having orgasm, lots of issues. So I also work with couples in general that have communication issues, issues around trust, issues around finances, whatever's causing them conflict. I really enjoy seeing high conflict clients. I also enjoy and get a lot of referrals for clients that have been to several therapists and couple therapists, and then they just don't see results, or they don't like their style. I have a much more direct, sometimes confrontational. I don't think that's a bad thing. I think you if you see a therapist that isn't willing to confront you from time to time, then you might want to rethink that. I'm also very compassionate, and I want my clients I want their sort of inner world, inner voice to be compassionate, but also I like to help people be able to self-confront. So being able to look yourself in the mirror and say, here are my limitations. I'm willing to look at those. I want to work. I want to grow. I want to change. I think that's one of my main jobs. The other issues that I work with are depression, anxiety, post-traumatic stress disorder. I do work with clients that have trauma, clients that have anxiety or panic, general relationship issues, infidelity. I said infidelity before, but I do actually see quite a bit of that. I work with families. So if you have adolescent children or adult children, or if you have your parents and you're wanting to work with them, I'm really good working with the system being all of the people, the environment, everything that sort of surrounds you and the issues that you're going through. So that's a little bit about me and the work I do. I would say the bulk of my clients are sex therapy clients. And that's most likely because there aren't very many people that are actually certified as sex therapists. So I think people, when they search for sex therapy, obviously I come up, and then there are so many general couple therapists. So it is something that sets me apart, and it's actually something I love and I have great passion for. But I also love working with couples that have other issues, or individuals that have other issues, like the ones I mentioned before. So if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. You can email me. You can contact my office. I'll leave the information below. And it was good introducing myself.